Today we're going to be finding the area of composite figures. So composite figure is some sort of combination of two or more shapes. So maybe I am combining two shapes. Maybe I'm sticking a triangle on top of a square or something like that. I'm combining two shapes to make like a mega shape. Or maybe I'm removing a shape from another shape. Maybe I'm subtracting out a shape from another. So I'm either adding two shapes together or subtracting. And again, this could be two or more shapes. So here's an example of where I'm going to take this big figure and divide it into simpler shapes. So I'm like, I don't even know what to call this thing, but I do see that I can break it into a rectangle and a triangle. So this side is 7, so over here this side is also going to be 7. And if that whole entire side length is 11, 11 minus 7, that means that this little nugget is 4. And then you can also think if this is 13, then this is 13. Which would mean that that whole side, if that whole side is 18, then 18 minus 13, this piece right here is going to be 5, which means that up here this is also going to be 5. So this composite figure is broken into the triangle and the rectangle, and so I'm going to find the area of both of those shapes and then add them together. So the area of my triangle is base times height divided by 2. The base of my triangle is 5. The height of my triangle is 4. I'm going to divide that by 2. And then I'm going to find the area of the rectangle. The base of the rectangle is 18. And the height of the rectangle is 7. So 5 times 4 is 20. Divided by 2 is 10. And then 18 times 7 is 126. So when I add those two areas together, the area of this total composite figure is 136 centimeters squared.